Framer e-commerce. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to framer.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Login, located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address, then click the Continue button to sign in to your Framer account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. From the left side of the screen, click on Updates. Then, move to the top section of the screen and click on Resources, followed by selecting Templates. In the Templates section, locate the search icon and type in e-commerce template to find designs related to online stores. Browse through the available options until you find a template that fits your e-commerce needs. For this example, let's say you choose a clean, modern template that matches your brand. Click Use for Free to begin editing the template. You'll be redirected to the template workspace, where all the design elements are customizable. You can click on any section and make changes to suit your brand. For example, I'm changing the headline to Why Choose Alexander Lawrence to reflect your business identity.